Welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today I have my girls here with me and we are making a Mother's Day recipe. Today we're going to be making banana bread. We start with 3/4 of a cup of salted butter. We're going to add brown sugar. We have to beat for 2 minutes until it's really soft and all well incorporated. I'm going to add 2 eggs while she's beating. We're going to take about 5 or 6 ripe bananas and you're going to mash them in a bowl.
You're going to add the bananas into the rest of the mix. Next, add a 1.5 cups of flour
and 2 tablespoons of LYNQ Empowdered.
Now I add in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You're gonna put in your batter. Now we're gonna put it into the oven.
How beautiful. So I seem to have lost the girls, so I will be tasting this myself. It's really good. Her favorite recipes for Mother's Day.
I want the whole thing of chocolate chips. Don't let the jelly.
Oh my god, this is so
Please
gross.
God, don't let the jelly chocolate chips. Yeah. Guys, the jelly is more chocolate chips, okay?
Yeah, exactly. With another foam from just after we speak.
And shake it out. Shake it out.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody.